Welcome, taxpayers, and thank you for joining us for an informational deep dive into registration renewals at the Wood County Sheriff's Tax Office. Let's begin by clarifying what DMV functions the Sheriff's Tax Office performs. It's a short list. Registration renewals. Every vehicle registered in the state of West Virginia, once registered, is assigned a license plate and a registration card. The registration card is a paper detailing important information about the registered vehicle, including the title date and plate number. When you renew your registration, you also receive a decal to attach to your license plate. This is the only DMV function that your Wood County Sheriff's Tax Office performs. We can't process hybrid, legislative, governor, or handicap renewals, and the registration renewals we can process are restricted to 1-year renewals for Class A, Class G vehicles, and regular Class street legal SPV vehicles. Class A vehicles are passenger cars and trucks with a gross weight of 10,000 pounds or less. Class G vehicles include every motorcycle with no more than 3 wheels. Special purpose vehicles are street legal all-terrain or utility terrain vehicles. If you'd like to renew your vehicle registration at the tax office, you'll need the following information. Most importantly, you'll need to bring your current vehicle registration card, no more than 60 days expired, or the registration renewal notice, DMV 44, referenced on the screen. Either of these documents can be used, but we must have at least one. Next, you'll need a personal property tax receipt. If you're renewing your registration at the tax office, we'll make sure the correct receipt is on file, or ensure you get paid up before we can process your registration. You'll also need to bring a form of payment. Either cash or card are acceptable for DMV transactions conducted at the tax office. Unfortunately, we do not accept checks for DMV transactions. Please keep in mind that any card transactions incur a processing fee, and we are unable to process split payments. So, what does a registration renewal cost at the tax office? Well, that will depend on your vehicle class and the type of license plate you have. For Class A vehicles with a standard license plate, the registration renewal fee is $53.50. $51.50 for the registration renewal, $1 online DMV processing fee, $1 county fee. For Class G and Class SPV vehicles with standard license plates, the registration renewal fee is $18. $16 registration renewal fee, $1 online DMV processing fee, $1 county fee. Vanity or personalized license plates will affect the cost of your registration renewal. For more detailed information on fees associated with specialty plates, please refer to your local DMV office or their website. All right, so we've discussed registration renewals and how much they cost at the tax office, as well as what kinds of registration renewals we're authorized to process. Let's talk about why we may not be able to renew your registration at the tax office. First, and most likely, you didn't pay your personal property taxes. Thankfully, you're at the right place. If you're renewing your registration at the Wood County Sheriff's Tax Office, we'll make sure your personal property taxes are paid before processing your registration. If they're not, we'll walk you through the process of getting caught up. Please refer to our personal property tax videos for more in-depth information on this subject. What if you didn't owe any taxes? No problem. We'll send you to the personal property assessor to get an affidavit. For more in-depth information on this, please refer to our personal property assessment videos. What if you don't have your registration card or your registration renewal reminder, or your registration card is more than 60 days expired? Looks like you're headed to the DMV office, but we'll make sure you have the receipt or the affidavit you need to take with you if you stop at the tax office first. What if you just can't get out and about? Fortunately, the DMV offers online registration renewal processing through DMV Online Services, or you can mail in the appropriate documentation to West Virginia DMV, P.O. Box 17110, Charleston, West Virginia 25317. For further information on how to renew your vehicle registration through the DMV, please visit their website at transportation.wv.gov/DMV. What if you're trying to renew your registration online through the DMV website, but you need tax information? Got you covered. Simply reference your personal property receipt and locate your ticket number and assessor's account or tax ID number at the top of the page. Still can't find this information? Visit the Tax Inquiry page under the Services tab at woodcountywv.com. Just can't seem to figure it out? Please refer to our tax statements and receipts video for more detailed information, or give your Wood County Sheriff's Tax Office a call at 304-424-1910. What if you've already paid to renew your registration online through the DMV, but they say you still owe taxes? The tax office can assist you in ensuring that the correct taxes are paid and provide your receipt. However, you'll have to follow up with the DMV if you've already paid them. What if you just can't figure out which receipt to use? For registration renewals processed May 2024 through April 2025, you will use the 2023 personal property receipt. For registration renewals processed May 2025 through April 2026, you will use the 2024 personal property receipt. Registration renewals processed May 2026 through April 2027 would require a 2025 personal property receipt. That concludes our video. We hope you enjoyed and have learned something about the tax office's role in the registration renewal process. If you need further information concerning registration renewals, please contact the DMV at 304-558-3900 to contact their regional office, or visit their website at transportation.wv.gov/DMV.